Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zapier workflows for order routing automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Zapier's homepage. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Log into your existing account if you already have one. Once logged in, click on make a Zap to start creating your workflow. You will see two sections, trigger and action. Choose your trigger app first. This is the application where the order will originate. For example, select Shopify if your orders come from a Shopify store. Next, choose the specific trigger event, like new order. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify account to Zapier. Once connected, select Test Trigger to confirm Zapier can pull in data. Now, move on to the Action section. Choose the app where the order should be routed, such as Google Sheets or Slack. Select the action event relevant to that app, such as Create Spreadsheet Row for Google Sheets. Connect to the app you've chosen if you haven't already. Map the fields from your trigger app to the action app. For example, link the order ID, customer name, and product details. Take a moment to review the data you have mapped. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, click Continue. Next, test this action to ensure everything is working as expected. Check the results in your chosen app to verify the data has been transferred. If the test is successful, return to your Zap and give it a name. Click the toggle switch at the top to turn on your Zap. Finally, monitor your Zap for any errors and make adjustments as necessary. Congratulations, your order routing automation with Zapier is now set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.